I'm gonna take a look at the fuel filter and probably replace it. So the filter is there and the pump is there. Oh great, I just sheared the bolt off of the hose clamp. New fuel filter. This fuel filter is a bit different, but it does the same thing. I haven't plugged in the pump yet. This car has two fuel pumps. One is in the back and one is here. So I'm gonna see if the one in the tank makes noise. And I can't hear anything. So maybe the one in the tank is broken. Because I'm curious to see what was inside this fuel filter, I opened it up. Paper filter material. I just opened it up a bit more and it's like a book in here. So I think the fuel tank is under the luggage compartment. So I removed this piece and I believe it's under here. And yeah, this is the fuel tank. We have all of these hoses coming in. Everything is going in through this thing here. So the lines for the fuel pump, they go here, these lines. And then they go under here where the spare wheel is and they come here. So I got this small battery here and I hooked up these like test leads. So we're gonna try on the battery terminal. Nothing. So what I don't like about this job is like this repair is that these things are so rusty. I think they'll just break apart. Like it's just rust here. I don't think there's much metal. This one is actually broken. Look at this. This is the return. It was rusted too. There's no hose clamp anymore, it's rusted away. But it broke off. This pipe is supposed to be inside here. Inside this little hole here, but it's completely broke off. And this pipe is not in good condition. It's cracked. It's just outside that's cracked, but yeah, it's not in good condition at all. Alright, I got it out and it's quite rusty and it shouldn't be rusty in here. So yeah, there's water in the tank. I think you even can see it here maybe. Like you see some separation of fluids, I don't know what to call it. But we got it out, so I'm probably gonna need a whole new assembly thing. I found this lovely red Volvo with 300,000 kilometers on it. And in there was this fuel pump and assembly. So I checked it and it was working. I plugged in a battery and the pump is working. Everything is in place. All the hose clamps are tightened. I just need to connect the cable and then we can test this. See if it will work. Okay, I just disconnected the lower pump that is under the car. So it's just the pump in the back that's plugged in, and we'll listen and see if we can hear something. I can hear a pump. The car is back together and we're ready to do a test run. I think it still has issues, but it's probably running better. Alright, we're back from that run, and yeah, it's running better, but it still has the same issue as it had before. It has a pump, 2 pumps now, so seems to be working alright, but there's still something wrong. I'm not sure what it is.